여러분 안녕하세요. So are you enjoy learning Korean? Why are you learning Korean right now? Do you want to travel Korea sometime or are you already living in Korea? Before we move on to lesson 3, let me teach you some English words that are used in Korea frequently. Korean people like to use English words a lot, like 뭐 coffee, 뭐 cup, 뭐 버스, 뭐 hotel. Well, lots of English words are used in Korea. Sometimes Koreans like to use the English words in their own way. The one popular example is 화이팅 or 파이팅. Have you heard of this expression? In Korean dramas or Korean movies, you'll have chance to see people saying 화이팅 or 뭐 파이팅 or in that way. It is not easy to translate the fighting into one English word, and it's not definitely fighting. We don't really say fighting for that purpose in English. Its purpose is to cheer other people up. So in English expressions, it can be like just go or come on or cheer up, like those kind of expressions. So everybody is studying Korean, and I would say 화이팅! 여러분 열심히 공부하세요. So our first word is 가끔, 가끔, sometimes, once in a while, occasionally. 저는 가끔 운동을 해요. So I exercise once in a while. So not regularly, just randomly, once in a while. 아마 한 달에 한두 번쯤 할 거예요. So 한 달에 한 번, once a month. 한 달에 두 번, twice a month. 한 달에 한두 번, once or twice a month. 그렇죠? 세, 네 번, 그러면 that means 3 times or 4 times. Just approximate, frequency. 세, 네 번, 그렇게 할 수 있죠. 네. Similar word to 가끔 might be 어쩌다 or 어쩌다가. So 저는 어쩌다 운동을 해요. That is same. And related word, 자주 means often, 그렇죠? 자주, often. And if you always do something, you can use this word 항상, always, 항상, or 늘, 늘, it's also an adverb that means always, 그렇죠? 교과서, 교과서, textbook. When you read this, you have to read it like 교과서. So, tensify this 과, 교과서. 여러분 교과서를 펴세요. Everyone open your textbook. 그렇죠? 예. 그다음에 날씨, weather. 날씨가 좋다. weather is good. 날씨가 나쁘다. The weather is bad. 그렇죠? 내일은 날씨가 추워질 거예요. So weather is going to be cold, tomorrow. 날씨가 맑다. 그러면 to be clear. weather is clear. 그렇죠? 날씨가 춥다. weather is cold. 이러는데 when we talk about weather forecast, we use different word. 일기 그래요. So 일기 also means weather, but we don't really say 일기 for general purpose. We use 일기 with 예보. So 일기 예보, weather forecast 그렇죠? 예. 그러면은 weather related words, like 비 알죠? 비 그러면 rain, 구름, 구름 그러면은 cloud, 바람, 바람, wind, 기온, 기온, temperature, those kind of things are related to 날씨, 그렇죠? 담그다, it's a verb, to soak, to put something in liquid like water, or sometimes we use 담그다 to mean to make kimchi. 담가요, 그렇죠? 담가요. 저는 물에 손을 담갔어요. So I soaked my hands in water. I put my hands in water. 이런 말이죠. 저는 엄마한테 김치 담그는 법을 배웠어요. 그래서 김치 담그다, 김치를 담그다. 그럼 to make 김치. 김치 만들다, that's possible, but 김치 담그다 그래요. Generally we use this verb to make kimchi. Because when you make kimchi, you have to soak the cabbage in the salty water. 그렇죠? 그래서 이제 basically we have to soak the cabbage. 그래서 김치를 담그다 그래요. Many Korean people pronounce 담궈요 or 담거요, something like this. But this is the right form. 담그다, 담가요 is the right form. 동네, village or town, 뭐 neighborhood area. 동네 사람, so neighborhood people. 이웃 같아요. 이웃인데 when I hear this 이웃, people right, next people living right next to my house. I have that kind of meaning. But 동네 is a little bit, wider, like area. So like people living in my town that I can say 동네 사람. 우리는 같은 동네에 살아요. 같은 동네, same town, same village. We live in the same town. 우리 동네 사람들은, so our neighborhood 참 친절해요. Very kind. 그렇죠? 먹다. This is one of the most basic, verbs in Korean. So you may already know this word. To eat. But sometimes we use 먹다 to mean to drink. 그렇죠? Yeah, this is different from English word to eat. Or to take medicine, we use this verb to 먹다. 그렇죠? So 밥을 먹다. To eat actually 밥 means rice. 그렇죠? Rice. But 밥을 먹다 does not simply mean to eat rice, but 밥을 먹다 means to eat a meal. 그렇죠? 약을 먹다, 그럼 to take medicine. Literally it means to eat medicine, but in English we don't say it that way, right? 술을 먹다. We say to drink alcohol, 맥주를 먹다, 그럼 to drink beer. But in Korean, you can use 먹다 to mean to drink. We have 마시다, right? So you can use 술을 마시다, that's perfectly fine, but you can use 먹다 for that purpose too. So like if you put something in your mouth, then you can use 먹다. And even we can say 나이를 먹다. 나이 means age. So I ate age. I'm getting old because I ate lots of age. 그렇죠? 예. So 나이를 먹다 이것도 해요. 예. We use 먹다 for getting old too. 점심에 뭐 먹을까요? So what would you like to eat for lunch today? We can say 아침을 먹어요, 점심을 먹어요, 저녁을 먹어요. That's okay. But we don't say 식사를 먹다 이렇게 안 해요. We don't say that way. It should be 식사를 하다. 식사 means like this action of eating. So we can say 식사를 하다, but 식사를 먹다 is impossible. I sometimes see this kind of mistake, so don't make this mistake. So 마시다 is exclusively for drinking liquid, but we can use 먹다 to mean to drink. So please remember this. And 모두 means all together. Similar word might be 다 있어요. 다 all together. Or 전부 is also all together. 모두 얼마예요? 다 얼마예요? 전부 얼마예요? all okay. How much is this all together? 우리 가족은 my family. 아버지, 어머니, 언니 한 명, one older sister, 남동생 한 명, one younger brother, 그리고 저, and me. 모두 all together 5명이에요. 그렇죠. The person who speaks this should be a woman. 그렇죠. 언니니까 언니. 언니 is a female term, older sister. 저는 이번 달 월급 salary 모두 써버려서 I used it up. I used it all of my money. 돈이 하나도 없어요. 하나도 없어요. So I don't have anything. 돈이 하나도 없어요. 바라다, to wish, or to want, or to hope. 다시 만나기를 간절히 바란다. 간절히, sincerely, 바래요. 바랍니다. I hope to see you again, sincerely. 그렇죠. 저는 돈을 바라고 일하지 않았습니다. So I didn't work just for wishing for money. 그렇죠. 바라다, to wish. 그렇죠. The polite informal form of 바라다 should be 바라요. 그렇죠. 바라다, 바라요. But many Korean speakers say 바래요. 그래요. 바래요. So both of them are okay. Orthographically this is more correct. Grammatically this is the correct form. But many people simply say 바래요, even in writing form too. In this sense, the noun form of 바람, it's a wish. It's a noun form. Not wind, the same form, but it's not wind, but it means like wish as a noun. But many people just write it 바람 이렇게 해요. 바람. This is a wrong form, so please use 바람. But remember, many Korean people just use this form. 내 바람은 좋은 여자친구를 만나는 것이에요. My wish is to meet a good girlfriend. Many Korean people say 내 바람은 that's kind of possible. 원하다, to want. It's very easy to remember, right? 원하다, want. And this structure, 뭐 가고 싶어요, 먹고 싶어요. So want to go, want to eat. So 먹고 싶다 is also used to like to express the speaker's desire. And 별로, 뭐 particularly, but 별로 should be followed by a negative expression. 별로 안 바빠요. So I'm not particularly busy. 그렇죠. 우리 엄마가 한 음식은 the food that my mom makes 사실 in fact 별로 맛이 없어요. So not really delicious, not very delicious. 그렇죠. 예. As shown in the example, 별로 should be followed by a negative expression or a word with negative meaning. 별로 안 바빠요. This is negative form. 없어요 is this word itself has negative meaning, right? 별로 없어요. So not really a lot. And number 10, 비싸다. You may already know this word. 비싸다. To be expensive. 그렇죠? 예. 한국에서는 수박이 아주 비싸요. This is really true. In Korea, big, like delicious watermelon might be more than $20. 그래요. 너무 비싸. 예. In America, 수박 is relatively cheap. 싸다, 그렇죠? 싸다 is, to be cheap. 그렇죠? Opposite word. 어제 백화점에서 비싼 옷을 샀어요. So I bought expensive clothes at the department store. 비싼 옷. Noun modifying form of 비싸다 is 비싼. 그렇죠? 네. 자, 오늘은 여기까지. 여러분 감사합니다.